Welcome to Technology Trends. Today we are unlocking the full potential of the upcoming OnePlus 15 Pro 2026 from a massive 7000 mAh battery to a bold new look that blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. Hit that subscribe button if you love tech deep dives. OnePlus may bypass the 14 in its naming convention, skipping to the OnePlus 15 series, anticipated a China release in late 2025 and a global rollout in early 2026. Within the lineup, the Pro variant should be the main flagship. Expect a dramatic design refresh. OnePlus is ditching its familiar circular camera island for a rectangular or square module in the top left, aligning with the design seen on OnePlus 13T, 13S. There is also buzz about a super black finish inspired by black hole visuals crafted from a matte, light-absorbing rear panel. The Pro is expected to sport a flat 6.78 to 6.82 LTPO AMOLED display around 1.5K resolution, with ultra-thin symmetrical bezels using LIPO low injection pressure overmolding technology. Under the hood lies the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 chipset built on TSMC's advanced 3nm process, reportedly offering a 25% performance boost over its predecessor. Whether this fuels higher refresh rates or improved AI capabilities remains to be seen. Triple camera system expected: 50 megapixels wide, 50 megapixels ultra wide, periscope telephoto potentially reaching up to 200 megapixels. Prepare for a battery giant, 7000 mAh, making it likely one of the longest lasting flagship in years. Fast charging spot expected at around 100 W wired, possibly with wireless support as well. The Oxygen OS 16 on Android 16 is almost assured, with rumored AI enhancement powering everything from image tweaks to predictive features. OnePlus typically offers solid update support. Expect 4 years of major Android updates and 6+ years of security patches. Let me know, are you vibing with Pro's rumored design makeover? Where are you drawing the line on battery size versus device weight? Drop your thoughts below, smash that like button if you enjoyed the breakdown, and don't forget to subscribe for more 2026 flagship coverage.